In this video, we're going to talk about how to make money from NFTs in 2022. Before starting, do like the video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. The term non-fungible token is used. A digital asset that cannot be altered or replicated is called a non-fungible token. These tokens might be considered to be the digital equivalent of works of art from a private collection. Each work of art in the collection is unique and has a certain value. Like a work of art, an NFT can be sold for cryptocurrencies or traditional currency, but the token's asset transfer is documented in the blockchain exactly like with Bitcoin. This proves who is in charge of a certain NFT. Each NFT is connected to the digital or, in certain cases, physical asset of the original owner. Technically, an NFT can be created from any digital item. The appeal of NFTs is that anyone can convert well-known tweets, Facebook updates, Instagram pictures, and more into NFTs and sell them. See our article on the various NFT kinds. So what gives an NFT value? Well, the value of an NFT is driven by consumer interest, just like it is for the pieces in our fictitious art collection. Similar to trading cards, their value is significantly influenced by their rarity and the pool of potential buyers. There is no restriction that precludes the copying or sharing of an image, even though it can be turned into an NFT. However, ownership of NFTs cannot be faked because the blockchain stores and clearly identifies who owns the asset. One of the main factors in the worth of something is the exhilarating sensation of having exclusive ownership. Reselling is typically how people make money and increase the value of their NFT. Produce and market NFTs. Do you see yourself as an artist? Do you intend to sell any of your creations? You can make extra money by selling your creations as NFTs. Almost anything digital can be created and sold as NFTs. In the past, original audio samples, movies, memes, songs, digital artwork, and many other things have sold for astronomical sums of money. A New Yorker calls his farts NFT and sold them. Go ahead and carry it out. The only restriction on how you can make money with NFTs is your own creativity. How to make an NFT. How to create non-fungible tokens and make money off of them is an issue that NFT enthusiasts, developers, and business people have pondered over the years. Remember that non-fungible tokens have characteristics that are specific to them before we continue on how to build NFTs. The creation of NFTs is known as minting. The steps that must be taken to create NFTs are as follows. Make sure you know what you're getting into and understand what a non-fungible token is before attempting to produce or even sell an NFT. Decide where you want to create and sell after doing some research on NFT platforms and markets. Connect and configure the cryptocurrency wallet after that. Create your first non-fungible token and start listing it on the platform of your choice. Number 7, invest in new NFT companies. Investing in NFT firms is an excellent method of generating income from NFTs. You can make money from NFTs indirectly by investing in NFT firms. If non-fungible tokens have proven anything, it's that they aren't a passing trend in the cryptocurrency industry. They can change the world because of the diverse range of industries in which they are used. The cryptocurrency sector is home to a large number of excellently developing NFT firms. It would be wonderful if you could support them as they take the first steps toward a revolutionary future. NFT companies are an excellent way to make money with NFTs without having to deal directly with the erratic market. Number 6, adopt NFT-powered yield farming. Users can now farm NFT-driven AMMs for yields because NFTs are quickly becoming a significant part of AMMs as a whole. The best revenue from your digital assets can be achieved by combining various DeFi protocols. Return farming is the term for this. We will use the example of Uniswap platform to show how the LP NFT tokens issued as liquidity provider tokens on Uniswap may be utilized as collateral or stacked on other protocols to earn additional returns. Think of it as a way to earn a yield on top of a process that already produces a yield. This potential allows for the implementation of a multi-tiered income generation strategy that is perfect for yield farmers. The best and easiest way to get money from NFTs is through farming. Number 5. Staking NFTs. One benefit of the union of NFTs and decentralized finance DeFi protocols is the capacity to stake NFTs. Staking is the process of depositing or locking away digital assets into a DeFi protocol smart contract in order to generate a yield. While some platforms permit the usage of any NFT, others demand that you purchase native NFTs in order to receive staking token incentives, which are typically priced in the platform's native utility token. As is the case for some cases, a portion of the benefits provided to stakeholders may be expressed in governance tokens. These protocols allow token holders to control the future growth of their ecosystems. Coins obtained by staking NFTs can typically be used to fund other yield-generating methods. Due to the growing integration of NFTs and DeFi infrastructures, it is currently possible to build a position in a particular liquidity pool by contributing liquidity and receiving NFTs in exchange for doing so. Staking is, in general, a rather reliable strategy to make money from NFTs. For instance, the automated market maker AMM will issue an ERC-721 token, also known as the LP NFT token, to represent your share of the total amount locked into the pool if you provide liquidity on Uniswap v3. In addition, the NFT is etched with the address of the pool, the token's emblem, and the token pair you entered. Number 4. NFT gaming. Our time allows for the possibility of earning money while playing video games. In blockchain-based games, NFTs are a kind of cryptocurrency that can be used to buy and trade in-game goods. There are already some incredibly expensive and hard-to-find collectibles available on the market, such those seen in the game CryptoKitties. In certain circumstances, the cost of a single CryptoCat has exceeded $300,000. More recently, games have been released that utilize more accessible NFTs. Even free items are being given away by some businesses to the first few signups. With the most recent gaming NFTs, earning money through NFTs is entirely possible with the appropriate information. Number 3. Trade NFTs. You can exchange NFTs in addition to selling them. Some business owners and investors buy and sell NFTs like stocks in order to make money. You can easily sell your collection of NFTs if you no longer need them in the same way you would if you had produced them yourself. The only step you'll skip is the minting procedure. By buying and selling NFTs, you can make money investing in them. A Beeple digital art piece was sold by Miami-based art collector Pablo Rodriguez Fraile for approximately 1,000 times its original cost in less than 6 months. On the other hand, not all NFTs are the same. While some are nearly worthless, others are worth millions of dollars. As a collector, you must carefully consider an item's potential for profit from a future resale. Knowing when to sell is essential when trading NFTs, though. Making money from NFTs through trading may appear dangerous to some, but the rewards can be substantial. The ideal moment to sell an NFT is when? Well, it depends on the item, the motivation behind the purchase, and whether or not there is any additional interest in the particular thing. You can discover the answers by quickly searching the web and local stores. Additionally, you need to account for any price growth or decline. Remember to factor in additional costs like gas, marketplace listing fees, and royalties paid to the original owner when calculating your prospective profit and loss. When all is said and done, these costs will lessen your after-tax income. You should seek professional advice if you are interested in more complex NFT trading that requires a complete understanding of the Bitcoin market. You might be able to acquire assistance through freelancer websites since NFTs are still in their early stages. Number 2, royalties. Are royalties from something as ephemeral as NFT even possible? Well, you can indeed. The developer of a digital asset might still get passive lifetime royalties even after selling it to a third party. However, the creator must impose these conditions, and if someone purchases the asset you made, you will receive royalties for the rest of your life. Royalties are a great source of passive income for artists. When it comes to making money from NFTs, royalties are important to take into account despite the initial confusion they may cause. Number 1, rent out. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are immutable digital assets, but did you realize that you could lease them? The procedure of renting isn't in the least bit complicated. It operates similarly to leasing out a piece of real estate and collecting rent. An NFT can be rented by giving it on loan to someone for a predetermined period of time in exchange for cash. An efficient technique to make money from NFTs without giving up ownership is to rent out the property. So what'd you think about the video? Let us know in the comment box below. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel for future updates.